While most of the fitness world is obsessed with fast reps, explosive movements, and complicated equipment, there's a powerful method that's been quietly building elite strength for thousands of years. No jumping, no heavy lifting, no fancy machines, just pure tension and control. This method is called isometric training, and it was used by ancient Chinese warriors, Greek fighters, and even modern Olympians who understood something most people still ignore. You don't need movement to build strength. You need mastery over stillness. Today, you're about to discover 7 powerful isometric holds that can completely reshape your body in just 21 days. But before we begin, drop your name in the comments and tell me how long you've been struggling to see real results with traditional workouts. Number 1, plank hold. The plank might look simple, but don't let that fool you. This is one of the most underrated yet transformative exercises in existence. Originally used in military conditioning, the plank builds something most people lack: unbreakable core stability. And here's what makes it powerful. It activates over 20 muscle groups at once. Unlike crunches that isolate small areas, the plank forces your entire body to work together as one system, a concept known as global stabilization. Studies even show isometric core training can activate deep muscle fibers up to 30% more than dynamic exercises. This means you're not just building visible abs, you're strengthening the deep muscles that protect your spine and fix your posture. How to do it? Get into a forearm position, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now here's the key: contract everything. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your core, push your forearms into the ground, and breathe. Avoid sagging hips, raising them too high, or holding your breath. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds. Advanced, push up to 90 seconds. And what you just felt, that's not just a burn. That's your body relearning how to stay strong. Number 2, wall sit. Now let's move to your legs. The wall sit looks easy until you try it properly. Used in military and athletic training, this hold builds real-world leg endurance. Unlike squats that move up and down, this forces your muscles to stay under constant tension, targeting slow-twitch fibers responsible for endurance and definition. And here's something interesting. Isometric holds at specific angles can increase strength exactly at that position, making you stronger in that 90-degree squat stance. How to do it? Back against the wall. Feet shoulder width. Slide down until your thighs are parallel. Knees at 90 degrees. Core tight. Back flat. No shortcuts. If you're not at parallel, you're missing the magic. Start with 30 to 45 seconds, 3 rounds. Advanced. Go up to 2 minutes. Number 3, single leg glute bridge hold. Now we fix one of the biggest problems of modern life: inactive glutes. Sitting all day has basically turned off one of your most powerful muscles. This hold reactivates it, and the single leg version takes it to another level by exposing imbalances. How to do it? Lie on your back. One knee bent, the other pulled toward your chest. Drive through your heel and lift your hips. Your body should form a straight line from shoulder to knee. Now hold and squeeze your glute hard. Don't let your lower back take over. Don't let your hips rotate. Start with 30 seconds per side, 3 sets. Advanced, 60 to 90 seconds. When your glutes wake up, everything improves: strength, posture, even daily movement. Number 4, hollow body hold. This is the secret weapon of gymnasts, and it's brutally effective. Most people can do endless crunches, but struggle to hold this for 30 seconds. Why? Because this trains true core stability. It targets the transverse abdominis, your body's natural weight belt. How to do it? Lie flat, arms overhead. Press your lower back into the floor. Lift your shoulders and legs slightly, forming a curved banana shape. Only your lower back stays in contact with the ground. If your lower back lifts, you've lost the position. Start with 20 to 30 seconds, 3 sets. Build up to 60 seconds. This one doesn't just build abs, it builds control. Number 5, L-sit hold. This is where things get serious. The L-sit is one of the toughest holds on this list, but also one of the most rewarding. It demands full body tension, core, arms, and hip flexors working together. And those hip flexors? Most people completely ignore them, but they're critical for posture and performance. How to do it? Sit with legs straight, hands beside your hips. Push into the ground and lift your body. Keep legs straight and parallel. If that's too hard, bend your knees and progress slowly. Even 10 to 15 seconds is a win. Advanced. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds. This is next level control. Number 6. Pike push-up hold. Now we hit the shoulders from a completely different angle. The pike hold combines inversion with strength, building serious shoulder stability. It also improves blood flow and challenges your balance. How to do it? Start in a downward dog position. Walk your feet in to form a tight V shape. Bend your elbows and lower your head close to the ground. Then hold. Keep your core tight. Elbows pointing back. Start with 15 to 20 seconds. Advanced. 45 to 60 seconds. Your shoulders will feel this instantly. Number 7. Dead hang. This is the most natural movement on the list. It's how humans were built to move. The dead hang restores posture, decompresses your spine, and builds incredible grip strength. Especially if you spend hours on your phone or laptop, this is essential. How to do it? Grab a bar. Hands shoulder width. Hang freely. Slightly engage your shoulders, but don't pull up. Let gravity do the work. Start with 20 to 30 seconds, 3 sets. Build up to 90 seconds. This one alone can change how your body feels every day. How to use these for 21 days. Perform all 7 exercises in order. 3 times per week for 21 days. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between each. Give yourself at least 1 rest day between sessions. Week 1, focus on form. Hit minimum times. Week 2, increase holds by 25 to 50%. Week 3, push your limits. Add harder variations. Here's the beauty of isometrics. Every extra second you hold is measurable progress. No guessing, no confusion, just results. If you made it this far, comment which hold challenged you the most. And if you're serious about transforming your body using smarter training, I'll see you in the next video.